Evolution continues. Gama 1.6 GDI. Hyundai Motor opens a new era in gasoline engine technology. Gama 1.6 GDI realizes high efficiency, low fuel consumption, and performance. The roller-type chain optimizes coefficient friction, and the dual CVVT system realizes high performance with low exhaust emissions. High-pressure fuel system facilitates precise engine control by directly injecting fuel, increasing fuel pressure up to 150 bar. Variable induction system VIS delivers a variable airflow based on speed conditions. At low and high speeds, it flows through the short runner, and at mid-range speed, it flows through the long runner, helping optimize engine performance over the entire range of operating conditions. The GDI system cools off the air by directly injecting fuel into the cylinders following vaporization, which increases volumetric efficiency, improving the engine capacity by up to 14%. PVD coating over the piston ring surfaces improve resistance against wear-boosting fuel efficiency. Application of DLC coating on the tappet surfaces also increases durability and realizes high fuel efficiency. Water jacket inserts help maintain a stable temperature balance between the upper and lower block by optimizing the flow of cooling water, and also enhances fuel efficiency by minimizing friction between the cylinder block and the pistons. During high-pressure die casting, special T5 heat treatment eliminates residual stresses in the cylinder block. This prevents cylinder distortion and results in a remarkable improvement in engine capacity. A masterpiece of engineering, the Gama 1.6 GDI. Hyundai Motor continues the challenge in new engine technology.